A great man is different from an eminent one in that he is ready to be the servant of the society. I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality, and fraternity. Cultivation of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence. The basic idea underlying religion is to create an atmosphere for the spiritual development of the individual. Though I was born a Hindu, I solemnly assure you that I will not die as a Hindu. If you believe in living a respectable life, you believe in self-help, which is the best help. Equality may be a fiction, but nonetheless one must accept it as a governing principle. The relationship between husband and wife should be one of closest friends. Humans are mortal. So are ideas. An idea needs propagation as much as a plant needs watering. Otherwise, both will wither and die. In Hinduism, conscience, reason, and independent thinking have no scope for development. Life should be great rather than long. Indifferentism is the worst kind of disease that can affect people. A bitter thing cannot be made sweet. The taste of anything can be changed, but poison cannot be changed into nectar. If I find the Constitution being misused, I shall be the first to burn it. I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. If you want like these videos, and if you want always be motivated and positive, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. At last, thanks for watching. Keep learning and keep moving.